Audi's best-selling electric SUV just got a major promotion. Meet the 2027 Audi Q4 e-tron, mid-cycle refresh that's finally bringing the flagship tech of the Q6 down to the heart of the market. We're talking a completely redesigned digital interior, sharper styling, and an 11% boost in range that changes the game for your daily commute. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're diving into the updates that make this Audi's most competitive EV yet. While the battery remains an 82 kilowatt-hour unit, Audi engineers have completely overhauled the power electronics and rear motors for maximum efficiency. In the US, that translates to a roughly 11% range. Increase meaning the rear-wheel drive 45 model could now approach nearly 320 miles of EPA's estimated range. Charging is faster too, peaking at 185 kilowatts to get you from 10 to 80% in just 27 minutes. And for the first time in an Audi, you get bidirectional charging, allowing you to power your gear or even your home directly from the vehicle. The biggest transformation is inside. Audi has introduced the digital stage cockpit, featuring a massive curved glass panel that houses an 11.9-inch driver display and a larger 12.8-inch infotainment screen. The physical climate buttons are gone, now permanently integrated into the touchscreen for a cleaner, ultra-modern look. Plus, your front passenger can now get their own dedicated 12-inch screen, the largest ever offered in an Audi to manage navigation or entertainment privately. On the outside, the Q4 looks sharper than ever with a new body-colored grille and customizable digital light signatures for the Matrix LED headlights. Safety tech gets a major boost with an augmented reality head-up display that projects navigation, turns directly onto the road ahead. Whether you choose the traditional SUV or the rake-proof Sportback, the 2027 model brings a level of sophistication that finally matches its bigger e-tron siblings. The 2027 Audi Q4 e-tron is expected to hit US showrooms in late 2026, with pricing likely starting just north of $52,000. It's faster, smarter, and goes further. Is this the luxury electric SUV you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments. For DRX AUTO MOBI,